Welcome! If you want to get Pro Evolution Soccer Mobile on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get it in the really easy way. So we need here the second smartphone with the Play Store, and in my case I got here Huawei P30 Pro. So right here we have to download this game, and I got it right here. And also if you have any other smartphone than the Huawei, you have to get this phone clone application. This application to transfer data. So let's open it on both smartphones. Be sure that you pick up, this is the old phone on your smartphone with the Play Store, and of course new phone on the smartphone without Google services. So in my case I got here the Huawei P30 Pro Plus, and select the old phone type. So I pick here Huawei and just scan your code. But if you have any problem with your camera, you can also input this password manually right here. And right now they are connecting, so we have to wait. Click to unselect all, scroll down, click on the apps and the data, scroll down and find your PES game, select, click OK, tap transfer, input your log method, and right now just wait. Click OK and the finish right here. And right now we can check if it's working properly. So there's the notification that the Pro Evolution Soccer 2020 has been installed and it's almost ready to be played. Please enable storage access permission. Okay, so let's tap OK. Click allow. And right now just wait. And as you can see, the game is working. So that's how it looks. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!